Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my I'm running late routine. Whether I woke up or just allowed myself a few extra minutes to sleep, this is what I do when I'm in a hurry. So I'm just getting straight up. I am turning on the diffuser because I had a little leftover lavender oil in it from the night before, and I'm just going to get that pumping in my veins. Then I don't have time to make the bed. Going straight to the bathroom, I am going to throw up my hair. I also don't have time for a shower, so I'm going to take what I like to call a monkey bath, and I'm using these Sephora pomegranate cleansing wipes. I don't love these. I prefer the rose ones, but I'm just using these up, so I'm washing my face with these and my armpits because no time for a shower. But I am going to do my skincare as quick as I can, so I'm going in with my simple moisturizing facial wash and just giving my face a good wash. I love this stuff. It's very moisturizing, but also leaves your skin feeling very clean. And then I'm just going to pat my skin dry, and then I'm going to go in with my Lush Aroma Water. It's a lavender and rose toner water, and I love it. And I didn't have time to do the thing with my hands today. I'm in that much of a rush. And then I am brushing my teeth, and this is the toothpaste I use if you're interested, Colgate Sensitive Whitening. I don't know how good it is at whitening, but it does help with my sensitive teeth. Then, apparently I'm very thirsty. I did have enough time to hydrate. You always aren't too busy for that. Then I'm going in with my two trusty guys, the Yes to Blueberries Age Refresh Eye Firming Treatment. I am just obsessed with this stuff. Nothing moisturizes like this, and I use it every day, morning and night. It's my best friend. And then my Grease Lightning Tea Tree spot treatment stuff that I get from Lush. I love it. Put that on my spots and then move on with my life. Then I'm going in with my Simple Protecting Moisturizer. It has SPF 15. I wear it every single day and I never get burned, and I love it. It doesn't smell like sunscreen either, which is important to me. Then after that, the skincare is all done, and I'm going to do my hair, and I get so many requests to show you guys how I do this, my little half up bun. I just take it into like an Ariana Grande pony situation, and then I just smooth it out, and then just like a normal, well, my normal top knot bun, I just kind of twist the hair around itself like so, and then I create the bun shape. And my hair was curled from the day before. It doesn't always look this good on second or third day, but today it looked pretty good. So I am just tying the hair tie around it, and I'm just kind of placing things where I want, pulling pieces out, just making sure it looks the way I like it. And it's that easy. It's really easy. I do this all the time when I'm in a rush. So I'm also going to put in some earrings. I feel like that's a really quick way to look pulled together fast. So I'm putting in my little pearl earrings. Then we're going to go get dressed, and I find that it's really quick and easy to just pull out a dress or a romper when I'm in a hurry, and this is my favorite romper, so I slapped that on. Then we are going into makeup. I'm going in first with my NYX This Is Everything lip oil that I love just to moisturize my lips. Then I'm using this Nude Sticks Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. I think I'm in the shade Light 2. I'll have it linked down below, but it's basically a tinted blur stick. I'm still trying to like try this out a lot and let you know how I really feel about it, but I have been liking it. It does kind of dry down to, I don't want to say a dry finish, but kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, like a slippery finish. It isn't like the best finish on my skin that I prefer, but it does do a good job of blurring out everything and adding a little bit of color, but leaving your skin looking really natural. But for me, it doesn't feel dry, but it looks dry, if that makes any sense. It's very matte, I guess, and I've been into the glowy skin. And I'm just using my Morphe brush to blend that out. I'll have everything linked down below if I skip over things. I've been using this new Clarins bronzer that has really cute flamingo packaging in my Marc Jacobs The Bronze brush. I'm not positive how I feel about this either, just still trying it out. I think it's a little too dark for my complexion as is, but maybe over the summer as I get a little more color, it will look a little bit better. So then I'm going in with my trusty butter blush in the shade Plum Rose and my Morphe G8 blush brush. I use this combo every day. It's my favorite, so just putting some blush on my cheeks. Then I'm going in with the Balm Mary Luminizer highlighter. I've been obsessed with this lately for some reason. Well, not for some reason, it's because it's amazing. And I'm using my Morphe highlighting brush that I love to just pretty much put that everywhere. My cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow. I even put some on my eyelids since I'm not wearing eyeshadow. And then I just go back in with the blush brush and blend everything out. When I'm in a rush, I use the Benefit Gimme Brow on my brows. I use the color 3 right now. I feel like I could use the color 1, but this is just what I have. But this is just amazing at adding some color and fibers to your brows to make them just look all the way pulled together really, really quickly. So it's great. Adds color, sets them, does the whole shebang. So I'm just adding that, and then I'm going to go in with mascara. Well, first I'm going to curl my eyelashes, with my really dirty eyelash curler, but I have been obsessed with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Is this L'Oreal? Yes, L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I love this stuff. I have too many mascaras open right now, so I decided I just have to pick one and commit to it. And I chose this, and I'm so glad I did because I freaking love it. So I'm adding a bunch of coats of that, and then I'm hit myself in the face. Finishing everything off with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the Rose scent. I love this stuff as a setting spray. I also love it as a priming spray. It's just great. So after that, that is my finished makeup. It is time to finish getting ready. I just need to add a little bit of deodorant. I have been using the Schmidt's Bergamot and Lime Natural Deodorant. I love this stuff. It really works and it smells great. Adding my body splash, which is the Moonlight Path body splash from Bath & Body Works. And then I've been using an essential oil as my perfume. This is the Young Living Citrus Fresh. This is the greatest essential oil I have ever smelled ever in my life. I've been so into Young Living, so I'm putting that on my pulse points behind my ear, and that is it, you guys. I'm just smelling fresh. It is time to go. I have my hint water and my banana, and that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, just a quick I'm in a hurry routine video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a new video. I love you very much. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Just kidding, I'm not going anywhere.